Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the general characters and classification up to class level of Coelenterata, phylum Coelenterata. Coelenterates are the invertebrate animals. The Coelenterata may be defined as diploblastic. Coelenterata may be defined as the diploblastic metazoa with tissues grade of construction having nematocysts and a single gastrovascular cavity or the coelenteron. Coelentrates are metazoa or multicellular animals with tissue grade of organization. They are aquatic, mostly marine, except few freshwater forms like hadrids. They are sedentary or free swimming and solitary or colonial. Individuals are radially or biradially symmetrical with a central gastrovascular cavity. Communicate, Communicating to the exterior by the mouth. They are diploblastic animals. Body wall consists of an outer layer of cells called ectoderm and inner layer of cells. The endoderm cemented together by an intermediate layer of non-cellular gelatinous mesogloia. Ocelomate animals because they do not possess a second body cavity, the coelom. Short and slender tentacles encircle the mouth in one or more oral. The tentacles are provided with nematocyst. Tentacles serve for food capture. Skeleton, either exoskeleton or endoskeleton, is of common occurrence. They are usually carnivorous. Digestion is extracellular as well as intracellular. Anus is not found. Nervous system consists do one or more networks of nerve cells and nutrients located in the ectoderm and endoderm. Respiratory, circulatory, and excretory systems share. Wanting reproduction is both by asexual and sexual methods. Asexual reproduction occurs by budding and sexual reproduction by the formation of gametes. Sexual reproduction by the formation of gametes, male gametes and female gametes. The ciliated planula larva usually present in the life history. The life history exhibits the phenomena of alternation of the generation or metagenesis in which the asexual polypoid sessile generation alternates with sexual medusoid free swimming generation. For example, Hydra turbellaria, Zirionia, Physolia, Aurelia, Ovilia, Scrutularia. Classification. The classification is given by Hyman LH in 1940. According to Hyman, phylum Coelenterata has been divided into three basis classes: three classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, Anthozoa. This is the three classes: Hydrozoa, Scyphozoa, and Anthozoa. Alcyonauria or Octocorallia, Zoantharea or Hexacorallia. Number 1, Hydrozoa, class Hydrozoa in coelenterids. Hydra water zooisis animals. Hydrozoa are solitary and freshwater of most colonial and marine sessile and free swimming forms. They exhibit tetramerous or polymerous radial symmetry. Body walls consist of an outer ectoderm and an inner endoderm separated by non-cellular mesogloia. Gastrovascular cavity without stomodium, septa or nematocyst bearing gastric filamentous. Skeleton or horny structure is horny perissary in some forms, while cynosure secretes a skeleton of calcium carbonate forming massive story structure or coral in other forms. They exhibit polymorphism. These are two main types of zooids: the polyp and medusa. Polyp and medusa. Many hydrozoa exhibit alternation of generations, reproduction product, or sex cells are usually ectodermal in origin and discharge externally. Cleavage is holoblastic. Embryo ciliated planula, example Hydra tubularia, Obelia, Cichularia, Millepora. Second class, that is Scyphozoa. Scyphos, cuff, zooisis animals. Scyphozoa included large jellyfish fishes or true medusae are exclusively marines. Medusae are large bell or umbrella shaped without true velum, free swimming or attached by an arboreal stalk. Marginal sense organs are texta coloscyst having endodermal statoliths. Polypoids generation absent or represented by small polyps. The scyphistoma, which gives rise to medusae by strobilization or transverse fission. Gastrovascular system without stomodium with gastric filamentous and may or may not be divided into 4 interradial pockets by septa. Mesogloia is usually cellular. Gonads are endodermal and the sex cells are discharged. Example Leucaenaria, Tamoya, Penicolpa, Aurelia. Anthozoa. Anthos flower zooids animals, solitary or colonial, exclusively marine forms. They are exclusively polypoid. Medusoid is altogether absent. Body usually cylindrical with hexamerous. Octomerous, polymerous, biradial or radiobilateral symmetry. The oral end of the body is expanded radially into an oral disc bearing hollow tentacles. Surrounded the mouth in the center. The stomatium is present. Geotrovascular cavity is divided into compartment by the complete or incomplete septa or mesenteries. Mesenteries bears nematocysts at their linear pre-engaged. Mesogloia contains fibrous connective tissue and amoeboid cells. Skeleton either external or internal. Eoskeleton is formed for calcium carbonate, which after forms massive corals. Nervous systems is in the form of typical nerve net without a concentrated central nervous system. Gonads are endodermal, develop in the mesenteries. The ripe sexual products are discharged into coelenteron. Fertilization is external. The fertilized eggs develops into the planula larva, which after a short free life settle down and develops into an adult. Alcyoneria or Octocorallia. And second is Xanthoria or Hexacorallia. This is the both larva. Colonial marine forms. Polyps are long or short cylindrical terminal evolving into the alternate flat circular oral disc having the oval or elongated mouth in the Alcyoneria center. Polyps always bears 8 pinnate hollow tentacles. Xantharia hexacorallia, solitary or colloidal marine forms. Tentacles simple, rarely branched, hollow, concept, numerous, arranged in the multiple of 5 and 6, but nerve 8. Mesenteries are numerous, arranged in the multiple of 5 and 6, may be complete or incomplete. 2 cyponoglyphs are commonly present. Endoskeleton, when present in calcareous, derived from ectoderm. Polyps are usually monomorphic. Example, Adamsia atria. This is the general character and outline classification of up to class level of the coelentrates. This is the coelentrates. Okay, thank you.